So this kitchen needs to be obviously updated. And oh, look at this. This used to be the old freezer and the fridge, and they would put ice in. That is super cool. Ooh. Yep. And this is an older home, so you can see they split off the toilet from the bath and the sink. So they did that in older days. You've got a nice big closet here. Nice big closet. And of course, if you had the phone, you'd have the phone sitting here. Probably have the yellow pages somewhere close. Nice big closet. This is one of the bedrooms. You see you got nice light coming in. Looks down on a pretty generous backyard. And I like this because this closet is big. Now, I know if you live in other parts of the country, you're probably going, well, this is not that big, but here in San Francisco, space is at a premium. So this is what I would probably do for the master bedroom here. And that closet, somehow I would want to maybe turn that into a bathroom, so that you'd have a master bath or primary bath. You've got all the plumbing on the other side of the wall, so you could probably do that fairly easily.